why I have probably so we have to what citizens and leaders have to do. Okay, citizens have the trust and they keep telling leaders what they want for the community. A community, as a voter, a citizen, you should tell your leader want them to do right. I hopefully they will do it. If they don't, they lose next leaders. So I want to choose everyone in them. So all they have to solve a conflict about a second. They have to keep listening to them. If they don't listen to their citizens again, okay, leaders, your fault. Is the competition is important in the court of democracy. It's taking effects, right? It's not about the leaders, citizens. So leaders, the citizens have to trust leaders, and they keep telling leaders what they want to for the community. As a voter, as a citizens, you tell your leader what you want them to do, right? And hopefully they will do. If they lose the next election, they are kicked out. Okay, leaders, what should we do? So they have to solve by a citizen, and they have to keep listening to them. If they don't listen to their citizens, again they get kicked out of office in the next elections. Okay, so it's teamwork. Leaders what should work together. Okay, good. Let's take a look at the reading. So okay, let's do the reading together, and as always you can read along with me real selectively in your head or our correct practice pronunciation and false of the words that we learn in the vocabulary section. You read here as we go. Choosing a leader is important to every society. A leader makes decisions for all citizens. It is the job of the leader to lead people to be a better future. So leader leads people. Okay. Next, if a person feels they will be a good leader, they can sign up to run for office. If you think you could be a good leader, you should sign up to run for office when you get older. Great. Okay, next. To make sure a good leader is chosen, citizens get information about people who want to become a leader from a newspaper, TV, the internet, act. So, okay, act, don't say it's okay. Act means and. So on the self force acts, okay. Then the citizens make decisions and vote for the person they want to lead them. People sometimes deserve leaders they want to about voting, so it's a good way to such discernment. And so we had chose them. The people in a community should trust the leader. A leader, good leader, should be able to resolve so conflicts between community members and keep order so that everyone is happy. Keep order. Make sure that everybody obeys the rules, that people don't disrespect each other or the society. They want to think without thinking about. So we have other people. So as we can see, people. Leaders have a rebonding as teamwork. It's order to walk a good direction. Good as a how is urgent. So okay, so the idea of this reading passage is to make things about reasons. Means to do a band with a force. They connect so first force and force. And that is we kind of events. If you want to run our office to make a mayor or president or senator, you might think want to do how to even. So what have to learn the thought. Then so first of all, was the person has to decide to become a leader person feel they will be affecting you know, and you can keep to be office on many keeps okay, so the first they are doing, so you think I want to be a good leader, so what should you do first? Well, you should put the name from fill out a form, and what we call that is vocabulary is to sign up, sign up, sign up. Now here we have signs up to right, but you can also say sign up. So for when you say sign up, for you usually have a noun here, so you have a sign up for a team, size up for club, but in this case we have to write. So in this case we need to say to do something. Sign up to play soccer, sign up to a debate or on your school's debate time, right? So we need a verb, sign up to a big office. Now remember that we say they are running for office to run oh my god, oops, have the two ends in this one. Have the many ends. Use. It's really big. So other verbs and adjuncts get information. So we learned two verbs is what all the words, but from the reading is set to make sure to I don't want this because I have the int in them. So make sure, yep, so citizens get information about leaders to make sure good leader choosing, not chosen. So we have, oh my god, chosen is what is verb in what I found. Choosing is forcing. Yeah. And I have to choose one thing or they miss more is so chosen. Make sure someone good is chosen. What did you choose? Okay, so make sure good leader is chosen. Make sure means to honest or to be a correct, right, to make a good decision. You want to make sure it's right, okay. Make sure that the right person, the job, decisions, make additions, and the after you make is one to do. So we also now additions and vote for actually these two words together. Who did you vote for? Vote. And a vote of bar mama can make a fate medals. So and they want who's a person you want to kill to want to kill a vote, and that is right. And so you don't have to worry on a few years and a certain age of you can vote to have your herd. You want to have your and your other ways, so make sure is a good on, so sure that you get a lot of information, so because it's a part of being a citizen is a democratic society. All right, good job everybody, thanks for studying with me. We'll see you next one. Take care, bye. Bye bye. I want to making